these things, headers and footers, how we can modify, how we can set the headers and footers. So basically here we are having these 4 options. So there is a one option called as page style options. Okay, page style, and this gives normally a general contents for the headers and footers. So there are 4 different types are available. If we will mention empty in this, okay, if we will mention the page style as empty, then there will be no headers or footers. Okay, then there will be no headers footer. What basically these headers and footers will give? Headers and footers will I'm sure you are aware of that. Headers, footers, the top we will get the headers and footers at the below, and then there will be page number and all, right? And if you want to write anything at the foot, so you can write over there. Similarly, the heading also, if you want to write certain thing, or even the page number also, if you want to print over there, so that also can be set. So if you just apply page style as empty, so there it will not have the headers and footers. If you say plain type, so there won't be header. Okay, so no header, but footers will be there. So footer will contain the page number, and that too at the center of the document. So if you write the option as plain, then the page number will be there at the footer. Okay, and it will be at the center, but there will not be any header, right? If you select heading, the option as heading, page style as heading, then there will not be any footer, but header contains the name of the chapter or section or subsection and the page number. So in the heading, you will see the name of the chapter or section, and then the page number. So if you select by default heading, if you select the my heading, so the my heading, there won't be a footer. Header contains page number and user supplied information. For example, we can mention certain information over there, and it will take that particular information and it will be displayed. For example, we can mention like this mark, right? And then this information, I want to print with the spaces, page style, then again space. So this will be printed over there. So let me show over there. Just remember there are 4 styles. One is empty, then plain, then headings, and my headings. So these are the different page style which you can set. What page style will give you? The page style will give you the information regarding your headers and footers. How you want to set the headers, how you want to set the footers, where should be the page number, where should be the name of the section and all at the heading or at the footer side. So let's go to the practice. So I've taken the same document. I have not changed anything, right? The same document is there. I'll just run once. If you see here, the same document, environmental case studies, then this table of content. Okay, how you will get the table of content? By saying that table content command. Okay, and then chapter, biodiversity, entire thing is same. Now what I'll do, and just look at the headings and all. Okay, the headings and all here. Then at the footer, just see over there, by default it has taken what? The page number at the center, and only leaving to the first page, okay, the other pages are having the page number. One, first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page. Okay, now we'll do what? So if we will do the page style empty, it will not have, right, the empty headers and footers. So I'll just do page style empty. If you see here, no headers and footers. Okay, but this will not be applicable. Okay, the page style empty will not be applicable wherever there is a chapter number is mentioned. Okay, for example, this is the first chapter mentioned, biodiversity case study. So that's why if you see here, there is a number is there, right? This page number is there. But if you go to the next page, there is no page number is mentioned. So by default in page style, what is the criteria? If you see here, page number if page style is empty, then there will be no headers or footers, right? But this will be applicable, this will not be applicable to the page where there is a chapter number is there, right? Chapter number 1, for example. So it will not be applicable. Otherwise, for the next page, you will see there is no footer, no header. Clear? Similarly, if you see the first page where the table of content is there, so it's not applicable to that page also. Now I'll just comment this. I'll say plain. Okay. So if you are having the plain, then no header, but footer contains page number, that is center. So by default, it was coming the same thing, right? The header, the footer was there, and it was at the center page number. So let me run this. If you see the page number, if you see here, the page number is there at the center, and here also. So if you select simply the plain page style, then there will be the page number will be mentioned, and that too at the center of the document. Somebody's mic is on. Just see that if somebody's mic is on, then please check that. I'm getting some noise. Yeah, got stopped. Thanks. Okay. Now, so if you select the page style as plain, so it will be plain. Okay, you will be only getting the at the footers, will be getting the page number. So I'll just comment this. Let me select this one, page style headings. Done this. So content, page number is there, this heading. Okay. If you see here from the third page onwards, okay, where the chapter number and chapter name is not there, here if you see the heading is displayed, right? And beside that there is a page number is also there. Okay, page number is also there, and heading is mentioned. So if you see here, the heading will give you what? No footer. Okay, heading will give you no footer, but the header contains name of the chapter or section, right? So if you see here, it is containing biodiversity case study, right? Biodiversity case study. So it's containing the name of the chapter. The header is containing the name of the chapter, and then beside that there is a page number. Clear? If we see here below at the footer, it will not contain the footer. Okay. But on the first page where the chapter number is there, so it will not be applicable over there. Then I'll comment this. Let's see the page style, my headings. So by this, okay, let me show with this one first. So if you see the my headings, it will not have the footer. Okay, no footer. Header contains page number and user supplied information. So header will have the page number and user supplied information. So let's see here. I'll run this. See from the second page, from the third page, sorry, where the chapter number is not there, chapter is not there, right? So this A I have given, right? This is my user supplied information. Then I've written H field, so which will give you the spacing between these two words on page style and this AA. So it will give the space. Then after that, there is a space, and then this page number is there. So this my heading will have this basic structure. It will have the page number at the top over there and the user supplied information, and it will not have any footer, right? It will not have any footer. So this is regarding your page style, my heading. Let me change this. I'll give some other information. So I'll give this information. So it's a mark right, biodiversity. Then I'm giving space, then on environment. Then after that, there will be a page number. Let me run this. Okay. Let me drink some water. Well, 1 minute. Yeah. So if you see here, biodiversity, then this information is given by user supplied information, biodiversity, then hfill, which will give the space, and then on environment. Okay, and then after that hfill again. So this space, and then there is a 3. Now let me remove this hfill. See here, biodiversity on environment. I'll put it here again. Right. So I'm sure you all are aware of all these things in the HTML language, right? See here, the spaces. So this is regarding the different types of page style. Now let's go to the next part. Okay. So this is page numbering. Now we are having a page numbering style. Okay. So this will give you what the position where the number appear in the page is determined by the page style used in the